So here's me going to have a go at a bit of welding. Sporting my new t-shirts that my wife has designed. So yeah, here we go. The old crap to cream t-shirt. Let's see how we go with this. Should have put the gloves on. Right, I think you've seen enough, so we'll leave it at that. So, done the welding, and that's as good as I'm going to do it for where it is, because it's hidden behind a panel. Nobody will ever see it unless it goes to the wreckers, and then I don't think they'll be too worried about it anyway. So, brief look. There you go. Not perfect, not by any stretch of the imagination. It didn't go very well here, didn't go very well here and here. Like welding toilet paper. Here was fine. Beautiful. Here was a bit rubbish. Again, just like it's so thin and it just melts. Good here, not there and there. So anyway, that's all. I'm not going to show you the back because that's even worse. Alright, So there we go. So I'm going to get some paint now, and it'll look fantastic after I've done the paint. So here we are. Got the paint out. So the paint is the great healer. So the repair doesn't look too bad now. Nobody's going to see it. So it is what it is. And yeah, so there we go. Got a bit of subframe paint on that now, just to make it look that little bit better. Even though it's under, like, there's a cover that goes over the top of here, and there's another cover that goes on the inside. And no, I'm not going to show you the inside because it looks absolutely crap, and I won't be able to make cream out of that. So there we are, that's that done. I've got new plastic covers or trim coming for the inside, because when I touched this one it just fell apart, even though it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle and I can more likely put it back together again. Funnily enough, this is one of the things that's still available. I'll be able to repair these, put them back in again, and I think that's about it now. Whoops, stay away from that, don't look inside there. I've got the aluminium cover, the C-pillar trim now, so that's got a new vinyl on there, so I've glued that on. I'll leave that for 24 hours now so that this part can go off, and then I'll turn it over, and then I'll trim it and make the other bits fit. So this isn't glued, this bit yet, so yeah, and hopefully I'll make it look a lot better than it did before I took it off. I've repaired the inner vent, whatever you want to call it, so this little flappy bit thing in there was no longer existent, so I pushed the two plastic clips out of the back here, those two there, put a new piece of vinyl in there, and then pushed it in, and then I've glued the tips of the clips back in place, because they're like a melted clip, so when it was pushed through, the end was melted over, so to be able to replace the vinyl I had to force that apart. So I've cleaned all them up, put it back in again, and I've put a nice little bit of vinyl on there, so that's that fixed. And then I'm going to do the other side. So this is what the other side looks like right now. No damage inside here on this one, so that's a blessing. So I'll just clean that up, give it a bit of a coat of paint, and I'll replace the vinyl on here. I thought I had enough vinyl left to do both of them, but I haven't, so I'll have to go and get some more vinyl to fix that up. Alright, no more waffling on. That's that bit done now, and I'll go do another part of this video maybe when I'll put the other one back together again, and I'll complete that side and then do the other side as another video. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for your comments, thank you for watching the video. Hope it's been of some interest. Just tick down below, and always read the comments with interest, and they're always greatly appreciated. So thank you very much, and bye for now. I've been doing a bit of work on the C-pillar external cover, which is the bit I showed you before that has got the vinyl on it that is ripped. I'll just show you that. So this is this one. So this is the driver's side in Australia anyway. So as you can see, the vinyl's pretty not the best, to say the least. So I'll have to take that off, the same as I've taken the other one off. Anyway, I've progressed the repairs over here. So I've got some new vinyl. And I'm using a contact adhesive to stick it on. Oh. All looks pretty good. Got the occasional little bubble here and there, but it'll be alright. I'm sure it'll be alright. So I've got to finish off cutting this and gluing this, however it is going to go together. So this is all being glued now, this bit. So I'm just doing it section by section, because I think to try and do it all at once might end up in tears. So I did the back or the front first underneath here, then I've done this side here, and then I did this here, and now I'm going to fold this over and glue that on the underside there. Cut this here somewhere, and same with this, cut this somewhere here, fold them all over, and then I'll cut this out where the external vent goes, and there's a bar with 3 bolts that go in here, so they hold it to the car. Alright, so I'm going to progress with that, and then I'll give you a bit of an update and a Merry Christmas wish, I suspect, before I sign off for Christmas. Alright, I'll speak to you soon. Morning, how are we today? So this is just a finishing off video for fitting or re-welding the patch in the back and fitting the little canvas flappy thing that allows the air to come out from inside the cab. So there it is, it's now fitted with these push clips. It's as tight as I can get it. I use this like it's a 6mm socket on the end of a small extension just to push them on over the top like that, to get them in, and they fit nicely just in there as well. So that's that done now. Obviously got the other side to do. I don't know whether in the last video it shows it's painted now. Paints is a magical, wonderful healer for not the best welding. So it doesn't, anyway, it's hidden on both sides. So anyway, got a bit of subframe black on there now just to protect it a bit more. Got some various parts have arrived. I'm not going to fit them yet. We're heading into a bit of a heat wave over Christmas. This is an early video because Christmas Day is the day that I usually post. So I thought I'd just wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and possibly a Happy New Year. Not sure if I'll get a video out for the New Year. Anyway, Merry Christmas from Western Australia, from my wife Deb and myself. And yeah, I'll catch you after Christmas. Continuing on with I've got a couple of services to do. One on an i30 and they're both i30s. No, one's a Hyundai Getz. So I've got to do a service on the Hyundai Getz and also a service on an i30, which you've seen before. Alright, so there we go. Yeah, thank you very much indeed for subscribing. Thank you very much for comments. Please subscribe, like, do whatever you do below, and all appreciated. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.